Hey guys, welcome to my first unboxing video. I'm going to make it a series anyway, so I'll be unboxing quite a lot of brands. And I'm very excited today because this brand, only last week, I was doing a review on my YouTube channel. And today, I have more products from the same brand. And now I'll get to... Oh god, I get to do a lot of things, you know. Okay, so I'll get to have like a variety of most of their products right now, and I'll be able to build up more stuff for my kids and also help you out there, upcoming makeup artists, you know, individuals who love makeup, to get more stuff from this brand. And without wasting any time, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. So I have now quite a few stuff of Baby Beauty. So with this small package, I have already done a YouTube review on these. I'm gonna redo part 2 of this as well, because I feel like the first video I didn't really swatch everything properly. So I'm gonna do a part 2 on these products that I have in this small cute packaging. But today we have this big one. I'm so excited. So it came sealed, and now it's not, can't seal it because the stuff in here is quite a lot. And I immediately opened this when I got home because I was so excited like that. We have here, we have like, they gave me a flyer. So Ever Beauty, yeah, it's everything about Ever Beauty there. Their location, what they're all about, services they provide, stuff like that. And then let's get into this baby right here. So everything in this packaging was sealed in a plastic. I had to open it because I wanted to swatch. I got these matte lips gloss. I got 2 of them. I got number 214 and 218. What is it? And 218. So it's like a red and a pink ish. I wish I took, I need to add more. I need more of these because they're amazing. I've already swatched them, and then I couldn't say no to this. When I saw this, I thought it actually gave me Huda vibes, and I was like, okay, I was curious. When on display, it was on display like this, and I saw these shades, I was like, yo, I must have this palette. You know, I'm a sucker for eyeshadow palettes. Oh, this is so tight. Okay, let's do it like that. So it's their eyeshadow palette. I didn't know that they can make such eyeshadow palettes, because the first one I got, it was like 6 shade, and like I've been seeing 6 shade, but look at this, honey. She is so pretty. I saw these metallics, the shimmers, and the matte, because most of their eyeshadow palettes have like shimmer or pure minerals like that. They not really, I didn't think they were making mattes. Like, I got so excited when I saw this. I was like, yo, this is my stuff. I must add this to my eyeshadow collection. You know, I'm a sucker for eyeshadow. I don't know, I have so many eyeshadow palettes, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So this is this cute packaging. See, it has all these incredible shades. Okay, so it has this little plastic that's covering everything. Let me remove it. So it also smells good. It smells good. Look at those shimmers. You know what I like about this? Already when I was swatching, I could, not the shimmers, the mattes. The mattes were very pigmented. That's what I love about this. You know, when your eyeshadow palette has mattes and the mattes are pigmented, then girl, I'm gonna buy all of your stuff. And then they have these 6 shade blusher. I think I'm also gonna use this as a contour, and it's number 1. So this is number 2, which I must get for my next order. I must get number 2. But child, I tell you, I've already swatched these. These are pigmented as well, very pigmented. I love these. Then we have a highlighter. I don't know, I'm also sucker for highlighters. I have a lot of highlighters, and others I haven't used them. And this is number 2. They also have number 1 palette of this highlighter. I need to get that. I'm next order. I'm struggling to open this because I'm using only my left side, and then I'm carrying the camera on the other side. And then this was what got me so excited as well. I've already opened it. Oil primer. I've never ever used an oil primer before, so I still can't wait to see how this works on skin. See how cute that is. Oh, it almost spilled because I was busy trying to open it proper, but anyway, it's fine. And then I got foundation. They have liquid matte foundations. Can't wait to see how these works. I got 2 of them. I got number 7, and this is number 8. I like you know, I'm already collecting for dark shades because I work, most of the clients that I have are dark skinned, so I must be all ready for these. So this is how it looks like. So cute. Number 8. I think this is the darkest of their shades. Number 8. And then we have this cutie here. It's a concealer. I can't also wait to see. So this is a number 6. I think it's a bit lighter from the foundations that I have. It's also a cute thing. Okay, I'm struggling to open this, so you have to excuse me. Oh, okay, okay. All right. So it's so cute. It's so cute as well. The packaging, like everything from Ever Beauty, their packaging is so cute. Concealer there, in the shade 6, number 6. Okay. All right. So it says design in South Africa. Okay. And then have a pressed powder, my favorite. You know I love pressed powders. I'm a huge fan of pressed powders compared to loose powders because I travel and everything gets messed up if it's in loose. So this one is number, what number is this? I don't know, but it's not the darkest. I don't think it's, oh, it's here, sorry. It's the shade 7. It's also like a cute packaging as well. Yeah, so Lisa really took her time in designing these. These are so cute. The packaging is so cute. This is simple but yet so cute. Like, oh, look at that. It's so cute. So cute. So that's the powder, pressed powders. And then I took this liquid liner. Oh well, I can't wait to see how it works because you know most liquid liners are like the devil. So that's the liquid liner. Yeah, so yeah, those are the things that I've got. It's almost like everything you need for your face, the whole face. And yeah, I'm gonna order more stuff already because I know what I want. And then from this cutie, let's unbox this as well. So this has been around for some time. Yeah, it's been around for some time. Okay, so here, this is what I was talking about when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. So this is what I thought they only dealt with shimmer eyeshadows. So now I got surprised when I got there and I saw this metal and I was like, yo, I'm not leaving her, I'm taking her with me. So this is a eyeshadow palette, 6 shades, and it's number 1. I think they have more numbers with different shade colors as well. Sorry, colors there. Then we had like lashes. Oh, they are a mess, done. They are a mess. I can't even show you those lashes. Then here there was this cute oh, this is the sort of like a, what is this? Oh yeah, instructions for applying lashes. Then there was like the primer, the eyeshadow primer, which I hardly use, and the old lipsticks. They don't have these anymore. And then my faves, my favorites. These are my faves. The pigments, the loose pigments, rose gold and gold. You know I'm crazy about these. I also have 2 more in there. And then I also have another lipstick, lip gloss thing in there. Okay, so I'll be uploading another YouTube video where I show you how to use this. I'll be doing a full face using all these products and also reviewing them at the same time. So yeah, guys. So yes, guys, those are the stuff that I got. More stuff that I got from Ever Beauty. I'm still gonna get more, and for now this will be a part 2 because already I have uploaded part 1 of the review. So I'll be redoing part 1 and then there will be part 2, and then part 3 will be for the next stuff that I get. And I'm very excited, but the work of reviewing these products is gonna kill my skin, but it's okay. I'm only doing it for you guys. And for me, thanks for watching this video, and until next time, peace.